Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back today working on the bike that started this channel, the CBR600RR. I got a very important package in the mail today. We got the new head, so we're gonna be putting that in today. I'm actually sitting on my desk because I was looking at torque specs for the heads and whatnot. So yeah, we got some work today. I actually got a little bit of hair myself, and I kind of mucked it in already, and did some other stuff off camera that I'm gonna show you in a second. So yeah, let's get over to the garage and I'll show you around and see what I've done so far. All right, let's get over there. So I don't think I showed you this before, but here's the old head. The valves that came from that specific cylinder that we had to screw in. I mean, look at that, it's clearly bent. And what's crazy is it actually didn't look that bent when it was in the cylinder. I actually decided to take it off and see how bad it was, and then that's when I noticed how bad it actually was. I mean, this one is not horrible, but it's still bent. But this one, clearly bent. I mean, you can see it just standing like that. There you go. I mean, look at this one. I think this one is the worst. Oh yeah. So yeah, there's the old head. We got the new one already mucked in there. I got a little bit of hair on myself and I mucked it in place. I actually, one more thing that I did that I forgot to show it on camera is this bolt had broken in there. I guess the previous owner tried to turn the engine by hand and didn't realize that it was locked up. So it broke it inside, but it wasn't so tight, so I managed to get it out with a pick and punching it out. And it actually came out easier than expected, so that's good news. Like I said, head already mucked in place, new gasket in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get working and put it back in there. I was looking at the specs, so I know how hard to torque this bolts in there for the head. So we should be all set now. morning, guys. It's a new day. We put most of the head back together. Actually, all of the head back together. Camera died yesterday while we were recording and putting it back on. But I didn't want to lose momentum, so I just kept going. I'm going to show you the things that we've done and what we haven't done, and we'll get to it today. All right, let me turn this around. So the head is on. The cover is on. We got a new set of spark plugs in there. Chain tensioner manual this time. No more of the automatic chain tensioner. We swapped the thermostat housing onto the new head. I replaced one of the studs that was bad on this one. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that everything was torqued down to specs. We put the new cover on, but I think that part is on video. I have to check. I forgot at what point it actually died, but yeah, the goal today is to actually put it on the frame. Maybe even get as far as getting it started. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So we got the engine on, tank on. We're about to find out if it starts or not. This is the moment of truth. So we had it all hooked up and it didn't start. I suspect it's the relay for the pump, so I actually swapped it for the headlights. We're gonna give it a go now and see if it starts. Let's see.
¿Hace casi? ¿Hace casi, no?
So we got it running, guys. We got it running. She runs good, actually. It's loud, but to be expected. So there's only a few things that we got to do. We got to give it a good clean because I actually never did that before. My main concern was getting this bike running, and we actually already did that. So there's a few things that I have to buy. I have to buy a couple of relays. I got the plastics already. I got a front tire. This one is shot. This one is bulbed. I got a headlight, but there's a few things that I haven't ordered. So gotta get some parts coming for this. Give it a good clean, and soon she'll be a whole bike again.